that time again. It's SPAMtember. That's right. Every Monday through Friday in September, there is going to be a new recipe featuring that versatile miracle meat in a can. There'll be main dishes, side dishes, and maybe even some desserts. Now, let me show you the lineup. We have Tuliloo Creates, Hamakua Homestead, and In the Kitchen with Karen, Linda's Pantry, Ormsby Farm, Pine Creek Farm, Provident Prepper, Rogue Preparedness, The Inquisitive Farm Wife, and me, Prepper Potpourri. Now, I've listed down below the date and the channel's link, so you don't have an excuse to miss any of the wonderful SPAMtember recipe videos. And I urge you, watch every single one and comment, because then you might win one of these handy dandy spam slicers. A random video from SPAMtember will be picked, and then one random comment. And that lucky person will win the spam slicer or luncheon meat slicer. It's also great for slicing eggs and soft cheeses. It really is a great little gadget. Tomorrow I'll have my first video in the collaboration, and I am featuring Spam breakfast bombs. I mean, look at this. Don't they look delicious? Well, believe me, they are. They are my grandson's favorite. And this month we'll also have Spam gyros, Spam ramen burgers, Spam monkey bread, Spam chowder, and a whole bunch of other recipes. So please join us in SPAMtember, Monday through Friday, a new video featuring a Spam wonderful, wonderful recipe. So even if you're a Spam hater, hey, watch the videos. You might find a recipe you'd like. Now, check out last year's Spam recipes.